said, y'all get my boy over here.
Hey, good to see you, man.
All right, my brother.
Hello, doll. I'll take care of you. It's okay. I get my exercise by digging. Hey, guys. Oh, that's going to be up to your mom.
You having a good time dancing?
I tell you what, I believe it's all a matter of mind. You can either decide to have a good time or you can decide to have a bad time.
Exactly.
I can be a trash man and be happy.
Yeah.
Make sure your seatbelts are on because I have been told that this ride is as much fun as a Disney ride. We're going to roll right up onto the ramp, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we go. No. Here we go.